Oh man, you are not gonna believe this place we were just filming at. Check out my many other videos of cars in this collection of hot rods and classics. I'm Victor Sane, and thank you for visiting Saneauto. Check out this 1923 Ford Tbucket Roadster convertible. The 350 engine has a Wieand Blower and automatic transmission. The chrome Jaguar rear end gives this unique Tbucket independent suspension and inboard rear disc brakes. And yes, those are Hildebrand rear wheels. New tires adorn the Harley Davidson front wheels and disc brakes. Stewart Warner Gauges just beyond the solid brass wood steering wheel gives you something to hang on to for dear life. see this supercharged Chevy Coupe in our previous video. I'm Victor Sane and this is Carol Sane. Come explore with us places filled with classics and hot rods.
Por favor, inscribirse y hacer tus comentarios ahí abajo. Gracias. Hasta luego.
Thank you for visiting my page, Saneauto, where you can see all of these fine vehicles and many more. And now some shout outs to the fine subscribers who like to comment on our videos. We appreciate Foundations of Freedom with Jeremy, Coriolis Effectment, Homebrew Subaru, Naim X10X. Watching our videos.
Gracias por ver nuestros videos.
If you've watched many of our videos, you'll notice we do a wide variety of vehicles.
Si usted lo vio algunos de nosotros videos, tú sabes que nosotros haga un montón de diferentes tipos de carros.
If you want us to film your vehicle, please let us know in the comments below.
Si usted le gusta nosotros filmar tu auto, por favor, deja tu comentario ahí abajo después de toca de campaña y inscribirse. Gracias.
Ciao.
Bye bye. Here's Victor to tell you about the wonderful vehicle in this video. Aquí está Victor para decirte todo sobre eso maravilloso auto in the video.
Today's featured vehicle is a
Shelby.
Today's featured vehicle.
Supercharged Shelby.
Today's.
And here's Victor to tell us about the wonderful vehicle in this.